Okay, homework help video. This is on the worksheet that is titled 6.1, page 385. So just going to do 3 of these real quick. There are only 9 problems, so we're going to do a third of them. So if you want to get that one out and have to help, we've already done something like this. This one, M is 1/3, B is 1. You can graph it. You start with B, you go up 1, you put a point. Okay? So then from there, I'm going to go up 1/3, up 1/3, and then I'm going to draw my line. Now what I'm trying to do is get this other equation graphed where M is -3. Remember to put it over 1, and B is 11. Now be careful on this one. This one actually goes up to 11. So if it was 12, I'd have had to go off the page, but this one, it goes up to 11. I'm then going to go down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, and then I finally hit one of the points. Now I have to figure out where that one is, and it looks like that crosses at 3, 2. So the answer to number 11, they intersect at 3, 2. But if you graph that one correctly on there. Okay? Now I'm not going to go in order. I'm going in order on the sheet, but I'm going to skip some. So now I'm going to jump to number 16. We haven't done these in a while. It says x equals -3. So an x equals graph, remember, goes vertically, goes like this. So that's the line, x equals -3. We just go to where x is -3, it goes up and down. The other one is y equals 5. So I go to the y line where it's 5, and that line goes across. It's a little easier to figure out where it crosses, though, and it crosses at -3 for x and 5 for y. X is -3, y is 5. You don't even actually have to graph that one. You should be able to figure out they cross at -3, 5, because x is -3, y is 5. All right? Next one, number 21. Doing one in each type that you could see here. We've got y equals 2x minus 1, so m is 2. We'll make it 2/1. B is -1. So I'm going to start by going down 1, then rise 2, run 1. Up 2/1, up 2/1, up 2/1. Might have to go down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1. Make sure I get in line. This one, I'm going to divide by 3. So y equals 2x minus 5/3. Now, if you take 5/3 in your calculator, that would be 1.67. Makes it a little bit easier. You're going to get some decimals. It's okay to deal with the decimals. So if I went up 1.67 and put a dot, but then from there went up 2/1, up 2/1, up 2/1. I think I was a little bit off on that one, but we get the idea. These two lines have the same slope, so one of the things we want to remember that if they have the same slope, they're parallel, they would never cross, so this one has no solution. The 3 options are, of course, they cross once, and you find that one dot. They don't cross, and there's no solution. And the other thing is you could get 2 lines that are right on top of each other, and then they have infinitely many solutions. Those are the 3 options that you see potentially on this worksheet. Hopefully that helps.